students, today we are discussing exercise in composition 24th of Wren and Martin. Question is insert articles where necessary. Means where article is necessary you have to add article. If article is not necessary then you will not put any article. Like first example is given, while there is life there is hope. While there is life there is hope. In this no article will be there. Second example, her knowledge of medicine had been acquired under aged Jews. Now aged is an vowel sound, so an will come. Her knowledge of medicine had been acquired under an aged Jews. Third example, sun rises in east. So what will be the correct situation? The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. Fourth example, the brave soldier lost arm in battle. So the brave soldier lost an arm in the battle. The brave soldier lost an arm in the battle. The doctor says it is hopeless case. The doctor says it is a hopeless case. The doctor says it is a hopeless case. Next example, I like to live in open air. So what will be the answer? I like to live in the open air. I like to live in the open air. Get pound of sugar from nearest grocer. Get pound of sugar from nearest grocer. So what will be the answer? Get a pound of sugar from the nearest grocer. Get a pound of sugar from the nearest grocer. Next, set back clock, it is too fast. Now what will be the answer? Set back the clock, it is an hour too fast. Set back the clock, it is an hour too fast. The poor woman has not rupee. So what will be the answer? The poor woman has not a rupee. You must take care. Here no article will be there. You must take there. Eskimos make houses of snow and ice. The Eskimos make houses of snow and ice. The Eskimos make houses of snow and ice. Next, where did you buy umbrella? What will be the answer? Where did you buy the umbrella? Where did you buy the umbrella? Have you never seen an elephant? What will be the answer? Have you never seen an elephant? Have you never seen an elephant? Draw map. Next example is there. Draw map of India. What will be the answer? Draw the map of India. Draw the map of India. Next question is there. Do not look gift horse in mouth. Do not look gift horse in mouth. So what will be the answer? Do not look a gift horse in the mouth. Do not look a gift horse in the mouth. Have you told him about accident? Have you told him about accident? What will be the correct answer? Have you told him about the accident? Have you told him about the accident? Tagore was great poet. Tagore was great poet. What will be the answer? Tagore was a great poet. Tagore was a great poet. How blue sky look? What will be the answer? How blue the sky looks. How blue the sky looks. 19. Who wishes to take walk with me? Who wishes to take walk with me? What will be the answer? Who wishes to take a walk with me? Who wishes to take a walk with me? 20th. What beautiful scene this is. What beautiful scene this is. Now what will be the answer? What a beautiful scene this is. What a beautiful scene this is. Next, 21st. The musician was old Musliman. The musician was old Musliman. What will be the answer? The musician was an old Musliman. The musician was an old Musliman. Thank you.